Now, in keeping with the overall theme that we're really trying to drive here, there are two key trends driving acquisition of technology across HHS that I want to talk about. Modernization in general, and with it, a push to adopt as much cloud technology as possible in order to create a more flexible and responsive department. Now, starting with cloud, as we've mentioned, the two major insertion points right now are CMS and FDA. They both have fairly strong existing practices, and they will continue that into the future. On the CMS side, the investment is primarily in infrastructure, and it is fairly well developed at this point. They have a hybrid cloud model where data, applications, and workloads tend to begin their life cycles hosted on-prem at the Baltimore data center before eventually being moved into one of several virtual data centers or even a public cloud environment as they become a little bit more mature. And as I mentioned, HPE is really the primary contractor on that VDC vehicle just based on spend analysis, so partnering with them really is advisable if you'd like to enter into this space. We see a similar cloud focus at FDA, although to date, the aperture there has been a little bit narrower. So currently, they are using the cloud to easily and scalably host that public-facing data, and that's primarily for the research community, but also to the benefit of the sectors of industry that they regulate. In future, look for them to expand further into cloud-based infrastructure and platform models to drive public-private information sharing, and also expect them to begin moving some mission-critical workloads into the cloud. As a matter of fact, we will discuss a major FDA investment in a few slides that is actively seeking cloud hosting solutions right now. Now, beyond the general cloud and modernization themes, the real cross-cutting requirement at HHS this year, as usual, is analytics, specifically for quality measurement. They want to measure the quality of healthcare outcomes rather than the volume of treatments. That's primarily a focus for CMS, but more informed healthcare decision-making based on advanced analytics will also be a need at NIH and CDC. And finally, we're seeing a little bit of emphasis here on improving customer service and citizen engagement, and that is primarily taking the form of web development and web services, and also some data visualization tools.